Good morning, New England weather weenies and New Englanders. If you live in New England, I want you to be incredibly weather aware tomorrow, Sunday, June 23rd. And here is why. As I told you what happened yesterday, the Storm Prediction Center has put a slight area of the possibility of severe thunderstorms for our area. And with this comes a very widespread 2% tornado risk and a large 5% tornado risk. Remember, this is the no panic channel. This is the no hype, no sensationalism channel. I just want you to understand what I need you to look for tomorrow. In the grand scheme of things, that 5% means within 25 miles of any point within that area, there is a 5% chance of somebody seeing a tornado. In the grand scheme of things, that is very small. But what I want you to understand is last summer in New England, there was probably like 5 or 6 days where we had a 2% tornado risk, and each and every one of those produced a very small, short lived, not strong, not scary tornado. So, tomorrow for Sunday, I am expecting a couple very small, weak, short lived tornadoes with maybe the possibility of seeing one that might be more in like that moderate strength range. Not expecting any EF5 type things, nothing crazy like that, but I just want you to understand that the severe weather risk tomorrow is very real. The primary time of concern for Sunday is the afternoon and early evening. Scattered thunderstorm development will be possible by afternoon, both along and in advance of the cold front. Organized cells clusters will be possible, including the potential for a few supercells. A zone of relatively backed surface winds may persist through the day. Blah, blah, blah. We can skip that kind of thing. We don't need to tell you about that. Some potential for tornadic supercells across this area. Otherwise, scattered damaging winds will be possible with both frontal and prefrontal convection storms with the front and a little bit of ahead of it during the afternoon, evening, before an expected weakening trend by later Sunday night. Once that sun goes away, the storms are going to be losing a lot of their fuel, which is going to be very helpful and beneficial. So once nightfall comes or it starts to get dark, you don't have to worry anymore. The most important thing to know tomorrow is the difference between a watch and a warning. This is a watch. They will issue severe thunderstorm watches. They may even issue a tornado watch in the morning or in the early part of the afternoon. It means the conditions are there where these things may happen. A warning means it is happening. So if they issue tornado warnings for your location, that means they have reason to believe that there's something to be concerned about. If at any time during the day on Sunday you are placed in a tornado warning, what I want you to do is go to the interior most part of your home, a closet, a bathroom, preferably away from windows, and just hang out there for a bit. Don't think tornadoes can't cross mountains. Don't think tornadoes can't cross water. All of that stuff is completely false. We're going to keep an eye on this. I'm going to give you a deep dive Sunday morning on timing, but I want you to be aware of this now. Be weather aware now. Don't be scared.